CX Educator versus CX Learner.
Walang PX.
Damn! Learner pa lang siya, wala pa siyang CX.
Kaya nga eh.
Learner pa lang.
Walang PX. Dapat tinitrain mo na agad.
Yung Educator, yan. Full CX yan.
Parang si Legion.
Okay.
Anong score?
5-2.
Valkyrie Blast versus, ano yan Kenny?
Pure Baluga, laban na din man.
Wizard Road. Game.
160 hexa.
Legion versus Pure Baluga. Okay, first base, show base. Okay na, Bladers ready. Okay, sa pwesto ha? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good! Tronking. Oh! Man,
Educated!
Tronking. Tronking.
K-I-N-G. Pronking.
Hells Brave versus
Ready?
Sharks
3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Okay. Bladers ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Game Pro. Wala, mas may dating yung pro. Oy! Oy! Bumalik! Lagi bumabalik. Lagi. Nakawala.
Okay. 1 point.
1 point.
Leaders ready?
Third base.
Third base.
Habol ba si Kenny Boy?
Emperor Eclipse versus
Madadali na naman ng Pronking.
Mamabers na naman.
Dalawang CX.
Bladers ready. Alright, recording tayo. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good! Pronking. Pronking. All three.
Grabe.
Final base.
All 3.
Final base.
Final of the day. Ang gagamitin niya. King Queen Jack.
Pronking Queen Jack. Best prong. Last base, show base. Bladers ready. Pwesto. Okay guys, sa pwesto guys. Recording tayo. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Good!
Last base. Grabe yun. Kaso. Wizard Road.
Ayan na, student, bigyan mo sa master na tayo. Ayan na. Wala.
Leaders ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Fight a what? Battle for third.
Let's game.
CX Learner.
Winner. Learner. CX Learner.
Boring, spin finish yung pang tapos. Hindi pumitik. Dapat Pronking.